Our day starts when we wake up in the morning and ends when we sleep. During the daytime, we see lots of things and observe many phenomena. How is it possible for us to differentiate one thing from the other? Not only can we see things, but we can also differentiate their colors. For example, apple is red in color, while banana is yellow. Which part of our body helps in observing things? Eye is the organ which helps us to see things and differentiate colors. After completing this module, we will be able to know about the structure of human eye, how to take care of human eye, when reflected light rays from the object enter our eye, we are able to see that object. What happens inside the human eye when light enters it? Let's go through this module to know more about this. Eye is one of the most fascinating and complex part of the human body. It is a natural optical instrument which is present in the form of eyeballs placed inside the sockets of our skull. Its diameter is approximately 2.5 cm. Its parts work together to focus images, adjust light levels, and transmit information to our brain that gives us the sense of sight. The structure of human eye. Let's take a look at the parts which make up the overall structure of the eye and some of their basic functions. Eye is almost as spherical as a ball. Let's learn about its components in detail. The cornea is the clear dome-shaped window of the eye. It is a lens that refracts the light passing through it. It is the outermost part of the eye and also provides it with overall protection. Light enters the eye through this part. The iris is a donut-shaped ring of the pigmented tissue that opens and closes to control the amount of light entering the eye. It provides color to the eye. This color can be black, blue, brown, etc. The circular opening in the iris is called pupil. The size of the pupil is controlled by the iris. It enlarges and shrinks like the diaphragm of a camera lens. The iris allows more light into the eye when the environment is dark and allows less light when the environment is bright. It is the main reason that our eye can see both in bright light as well as in dark rooms. Now we move on to the eye lens, the lens which helps us to see. It is convex and elastic in nature, so that its curvature can be changed to adjust its refractive and focusing power. It is responsible for focusing the incoming light onto the retina. The retina, often referred to as the film of the eye, is the layer of light-sensitive cells that line much of the inside of the eyeball. It refers to the innermost light-sensitive layer of the eyeball on which images are formed. Images formed on this screen are real and inverted. There are two kinds of light-sensitive cells inside the eye, rods and cones, that convert light into electrochemical impulses that are sent to the brain. Rods aid vision in dim light, while cones are sensitive to bright light. The optic nerve is the carrier for visual information from the retina to the brain. At the junction of the optic nerve and the retina, there are no sensory cells, so no vision is possible on that spot. This is called the blind spot. How to take care of the human eye? Too little or too much light is bad for eyes. Insufficient light causes eye strain. Too much light can harm the retina. To maintain the health of our eye and to keep our vision sharp, we should consider the following as part of our daily routine. Avoid rubbing your eyes. The hands are exposed to a lot of dirt, dust, and bacteria, and all of these can be easily transferred to the eye. Protect your eyes by using sunglasses. Exposure to sunlight may cause cornea sunburn and raise the risk of cataract. While reading, read at a nominal distance of approximately 25 cm. Holding the book too close or too far can cause strain. Wash your eyes frequently with clean water. You must consult a doctor in case of any injury to the eyes. Good nutrition is important for the maintenance of healthy eyes. Now, let us revise what we have studied so far. The human eye is one of the most valuable sense organs that enables us to see the world around us. The main parts of human eye are to maintain the health of our eye and to keep our vision sharp, we should consider the following steps as part of our daily routine.